Hi, this is Steve Biggs of Boatshed, Norfolk, on board a beautiful Bounty 28 from 1985. This is the interior of this Mark II Bounty with a full sliding roof. Decks and sop sides are all in GRP. Two-pack painted hull, professionally painted when the boat was completely refitted by a local boat yard to a professional and very high standard, as you can see. All oak interior, shaker style, bow thruster, modern electrics, reversing camera. Absolutely a beautiful, beautiful vessel. Very, very rare to find one of these looking like this, and especially having undergone a refit in 2019-2020. It was actually finished, I think it was June or July 2021 for the current owners. Television also detaches from its current location and mounts on the wall in the bedroom. Very well equipped, nice galley, lots of storage. Quality materials absolutely everywhere. Recessed LED lighting in strips in the ceiling. Incredibly clean, tidy heads compartment with Jabsco electric toilet and holding tank. One of the cleanest versions of this kind of boat I think you will ever find. Nice wine rack on the second side of the galley. Leading to the aft master cabin, which is a full-size double. Bespoke made mattress. As you can see, one of the tidiest things of this type you'll ever come across. Very rare to find a vessel like this. If you'd like further information on this stunning Bounty Mark II 28, please contact me, Steve Biggs, at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.